everybody have their paper out from yesterday about the essay? Okay. So with that paper, you should have your topic on there for your essay. So in this top box, we're gonna write our topic. And remember, this is just a couple words. Like my topic for my argumentative essay is I'm arguing dress code. So it's just a couple words, so go ahead and write it in this top box. And who can tell me what a thesis is? Anybody? Okay. A thesis is the statement that is basically what your whole essay is going to be about. So my topic is dress code, but my thesis is that I'm arguing that dress codes are unfair and outdated. So the thesis is my entire argument that my essay is about. So you're going to write in this box, you're going to skip over that second box, go to the thesis and claim box, and write what you're arguing in your essay. So I'm arguing that dress codes are unfair and outdated. So whatever you pick for your argument, you're going to write that in your thesis. Does everybody have that written down? Okay. We're going to go down. Okay. We're going to go to our reasons. So, can anyone tell me what the reasons are for our thesis?
Why you want that to happen?
Right. Like why you believe that, like what you're arguing. Your reasons for arguing it. So like, for example, one of my reasons is that dress codes target young females. So you're going to have two reasons backing up your argument. So you're saying this is why I'm arguing this topic. This is why I believe that. So you're going to write reason 1 in the top box and reason 2 in the bottom box. So go ahead and write those. Okay. And so can anyone tell me what supporting ideas, what does that mean? What are those?
Something that backs up
Your reasons. Yes. So your supporting ideas, you're going to have 3 for each reason. And these have to come from reputable sources. So we're going to look up online why, like evidence that can prove that dress codes were set by people long ago. That's what I'm going to look up. And I'm going to look up reasons or evidence to back up that dress codes target young females. So whatever your 2 reasons are, you're looking up 3 statements of evidence to back them up. So they have to be from good websites. Remember we talked about good and bad websites. So someone give me an example of a good website. Like what would it end in? Like
.com.
.com, good. Does anybody have another one? .org. Anyone else? What about .net? Is that a good one?
Yes.
What about .edu? It's a good one. Okay, do you have any examples of a bad website that we do not want to use?
Reddit.
Reddit. Anyone else? What about, yeah?
Facebook.
Facebook. So all social media.
Wikipedia. No, that's.
Wikipedia is actually a good one that we can use. What about like a blog? Is that a good or bad one? Bad. And then what about .io? Good or bad?
Bad.
Okay, so when you find your 3 pieces of evidence, you're gonna write it out, write the whole sentence out that you find, and at the end, like to the side on your paper, in parentheses, so if I go and I find a piece of evidence supporting that, I go find it on Wikipedia. I'm gonna write out beside it, in parentheses, I'm gonna write wikipedia.com. Put it down. It doesn't matter which one of these you use, or if you reuse them, you just gotta make sure after you write your statement that you put in parentheses where you got that from, because we have to cite our sources. So y'all go ahead and get your Chromebooks out, and we're gonna start researching and finding evidence to back up our points.